Giving every piece of my soul. All too cheaply knows. Giving every piece of my soul. All too cheaply
Guys, we are here, we are open. We're stand E23 at the Sydney 4-Wheel Drive Show.
Make sure you come down to stand E23, do your selfie, and we'll see you this weekend.
See you guys.
Hey guys, Brock from 8 Speed AU. We're down at the Sydney 4-Wheel Drive Show with our 76, our new shop car for our R&D with our 8-speed kit. We've got full bolt-in 8-speed kits for all of your 70 series cruisers and mostly bolt-in kits for all the other models like 1HD, 1FZ, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so you guys probably seen Max Ute over a year ago. We put the 8-speed in that, and this transforms the way these drive. It's insane, the difference in how they drive after you do this, especially if you couple it with the G-Turbo Power Pack from TJM. So you can have automatic converter lockup. There's no button to press to lock the converter on the beach. You get your 3 drive modes, your normal auto as you drive along normally, flick it over into sports mode when you're giving it the berries, and then in the manual mode when you're on the beach or 4-bin, and it'll stay in the gear you put it in, it'll downshift, and engine braking. You get engine braking with this auto conversion. Whereas if you've got a trailer on, pumping down Toowoomba range, you say, you knock it down a couple of gears, none of this open converter, sliding down the hill, rely on your brakes, much safer. So yeah, if you're interested in the 8-speed package, talk to Jakeb Chworks, give our shop number a call. If you're going to modify your cruiser at all, you should start with an 8-speed.
G'day legends, welcome to Sydney 4-Wheel Drive Adventure Show. Today is Friday. It's very quiet as you can see. There's not a lot of people here today, but tomorrow is going to be a banging day. Now, welcome to the Pirate Camco stand. Come with me, I'm going to take you for a walk through the stand, show you how good it is. It's pretty good. So over here, for the first time in a little while, we actually have the Ranger on display. The old bread roll down here. Now, the other shows it normally sits outside, out of the way. We've got it on our stand, so you can come down, you can check out all the stuff here. We've got a heap of different storage solutions inside the cab, in the tub. We've got battery solutions, we've got bonnet struts. We've got a bit of extra shade up here from the Outback Tourer boys, because I'll tell you what, it's a bit hot here today and I need some beers. However, come through here. Now over here, we've got ourselves a checkout bench, a few different canvas bags on display. Through here, now here's my favorite bit. This is my favorite by all, the beer fridge. Would you guys like a beer? Come inside my beer fridge. You know what, I'm having one anyway. Cheers, legends. Now over here, we've got a heap of merch here on display. We've got all our products on display. We got the quick lashes. Now these quick lashes, if you haven't seen them before, look at them, magic. Just in, out, throw them in the glove box. Don't worry about that one, we don't need it. No, I'm kidding. Over here, now the most important thing here is we have the jelly roll on display. Come check this out. You're gonna love this. So I'm gonna start from the front of this one. Now, of course, up front here, we've got the turbo kit. Probably the most important thing we've added to this thing. Went from 75 horsepower to 210 horsepower. We've got a bonnet mural from Kylo up at Sunny Coast there, absolute legend. Did a quick bonnet mural before a show a few months back. Got all the custom powder coating going on, custom powder coating in here. Now around the back, come over, you're gonna love this. Come over, look at this. Come on. But probably my new favorite addition is the stereo we've added to the jelly roll. Full custom MTX setup with a Kenwood head unit. We 3D printed the box, put a heap of pirate style over the top of it. 2 8-inch subs. We've got the splits in the door here with a beautiful, that jelly roll on the back of it. Righto, legends, that's the stand tour conducted. I'll see you down here. Hopefully you've come down soon, because by the time you see this, it won't be here anymore. But anyways, hope you come down and visit us. Got a beer with us, and we'll see you on the next one. Yoo!
I've been trying to breathe underwater. I've been trying to hide 'cause I'm scared. Confusing which is one from the other. 'Cause it doesn't mean so much in the end. I've been trying to breathe underwater. I've been trying to hide 'cause I'm scared. Confusing which is one from the other. 'Cause it doesn't mean so much in the end. I've been trying to hide 'cause I'm scared. Using witches. 'Cause it doesn't mean so much in the end. Boy, can you hold me? Boy, can you hold me? Boy, can you hold me? Boy, can you hold me?
G'day guys, Hayden from RV Storage Solutions here. We're down at the Eastern Creek 4-Wheel Drive and Adventure Show, stand D22. We've got lots of new products to show you on display. We have our Ranger with the easy access combo, full length travel slide I can show you. So if you have a big fridge and you want to keep it down low and still be able to reach it without a step, this is a great solution. We have our cargo shelf around it so you can stack right around your fridge. Plenty of storage space there. We've just revamped our tourer setup. So if you're looking for a turnkey solution in the back of your wagon, this is an upright fridge and lots of storage needs if you're on the road full time. This is a great option to pull out your table, make a cup of tea on the side of the road, or a complete kitchen for when you pull up for the night. But over here, if you're looking at a drawer fridge, want to keep a flat floor above so that you can see out your rear view mirror, somewhere for the dog to sit. This is more of an everyday all-rounder, but you still have a pantry drawer for all your cutlery, a bench to make a sandwich, and a full storage drawer for all your tools and whatever else you want to put in there. 30 litre or 40 litre drawer fridge for your cold drinks. Another great option is our low rider. A new good product with this one is if you need to keep your floor height down for an even larger dog or even bigger things that you need to carry during the week, this gives you a nice low drawer, but still a full height wing kit. And of course, we've got a fridge on this one as well. And if it's still too high, you can lower that down even further again. So it's all about easy access to your cold drinks and your storage stuff while you're touring this great land of ours. And last but not least, our ever popular easy access combo in the back of this 300 series cruiser with another new product, the pantry. So we've been doing this setup with your lower platform and your pull-out table for a little while now, and the upright fridges, but the pantry at the back is a great use of that wasted space behind the fridge. You can pull it out, you can put your travel buddy there, and you can put all your pantry items in there while you're cooking on the road. So if you're in the market for a storage system, depending on what fridge you want to run and how you want to set up the back of your car, contact RV Storage Solutions today.
Hey guys, well it's Friday. We've got our giveaway winner, Shano. He's getting this awesome TJM dual compressor.
Sweet, thank you guys. It's been a quiet Friday, so.
That is all yours.
This is sick. This is really cool. I think anyone can win these all weekend. They're giving away an item each day.
Yes, we are.
All they got to do is tag TJM 4x4, take a photo in front of the banner here, and hashtag take the lead, post it in a story, and they can win a prize all weekend.
Yeah, keep up to date on our socials, and this could be you. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, Andy here down at the TJM stand. It's been a big day. It's been Friday, it's my work day, been surprisingly busy, but we've got 2 more days. Don't forget to come down and see us. Check out the 79, it's a massive build. We'll hopefully see you tomorrow or the next day. Cheers.
Hey guys, well, it's day 2 of the Sydney Adventure and 4x4 show out here at Sydney Dragway. Day 1 went off. We had a lot of stuff going on inside. We're going to take you through some of the cars that we've got here today rather than what's going on inside. We've got the TJM XGS Jimny here, followed by the TJM Northern Beaches fully decked out 300 Series GR Sport. We've got TJM Chipping Norton's Chop 300 with a canopy and everything on the back. We've actually been cooking out of a smoker on the back of that, so if you want a snag and you'd be nice to boys, you might be able to get one of those. Then we have the brand new facelifted 78 Series Land Cruiser with the new TJM Outback bar, lights, and all the stuff that we have available for that one. And then down the end here, we've got the TJM MUX with all the trimmings as well. So over on this side, as you can see, the stand is already going off. The gates have only just opened, so there's going to be a bit hard to get through here, but we've got Mark from TJM Penrith's GR Sport 300 here as well as his next gen Ranger down the side. And over to my left, we have the car that we've unveiled here, TJM Northern Beaches 79 Series with absolutely everything on it. It's got the J-Max Alpha coil conversion underneath it. It's got the Thorburns canopy, full Alpine system, Fats Fab all over it. It's been wrapped, TJM Ventura bull bar and the works. So come down and check it out. Cheers. What is that?
Does it hit the limiter on that? Nah, that's it. Doesn't want you to do any more.
Testing, 1, 2, is it working? All right. Hey guys, welcome Sydney 4-wheel drive adventure show. We're here, PVS Automotive. We've got our Hilux N80, 37-inch tires. Got the PVS ute here with 40s. Got my new 76 wagon, beautiful interior, come and see it please. Our 6x6 as well, and all of our head units and steering wheels are now on display at the show. Come here, Saturday, Sunday, see you then.
Reckless energy, I'm never signing out. Throw my elbows up and my money out. Cause I came to get down, so let's run it up. No too real, hit 'em with a rhythm rhyme. 10 song, cause it's cold in the winter time. I'm a boss, yeah, you know that I'm finna shine. Got the money in the bank like it's intertwined.
G'day guys, Josh here from TC Boxes. We're down at the Australian 4-wheel drive and adventure show. It's been an unreal weekend. We've released our design garage here, the digital builder, to build your rig with a train canopy or train toolboxes. We'll make sure you get a sneak peek of that in a second. We've got the big TC Boxes Jeep here. People have been loving it down at the show. It's been great to see you all, and we'll catch you at the next one.
Rage, money, power, big, 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 big,
Righto, so we're at the four-wheel drive. Sorry, start again.
My name's Dave. I don't know what to do with my
My
hands.
name's Dave. I fix cars.
He fixes cars. He also builds monster trucks like this thing right here. He gave it to the diff destroyer and I luckily didn't break it.
We actually did diff it out. Look at this. It's a bit of a, you know, looks good, eh?
Sorry, mate.
No, mate, I love it. I love it.
Like, you just invoice the show.
Righto, yeah, so we went for your first run of monster truck. It's pretty good.
Mate, my life's made.
Yeah.
Honestly, that
you
is
can tick
like
that one off the bucket list.
100%.
It's done, yeah.
Tick. Ready to just whatever. I don't care what I do in life now. That was the best thing I've ever done in my life.
Hopefully, yeah, next year we can crush some cars and change up a bit. And
I'd love to crush some cars.
So, yeah, we're down here at the Sydney Four-Wheel Drive and Adventure Show. Just let Macca destroy some rocks and bits and pieces. Brought along some cars. We got the Shorty. We had an NZ you've probably seen. Yeah, we got some merchandise for the first time. We thought, hell, give it a go. See if anyone wants anything.
We also have a funny story that some people may not know, but Dave built my Land Cruiser. In
2019 I bought that, yeah, so I had that in 19. It was the first legal 5-inch 37 kit in Australia, yeah.
And someone went and put 42-inch tyres on it.
We did, we put
broke the internet.
Well, I guess that's a day. And,
thanks again, mate.
Yeah, no, thanks again.
That was freaking awesome.
Yeah. Till tomorrow.
Catch everyone tomorrow, we'll do it again.
Well guys, that is a wrap on what has been an unreal show. We have had... Well guys, that's a wrap on the Sydney Four-Wheel Drive and Adventure Show here at the TJM stand. We have been absolutely smashed. This show has gone off. Our shelves are empty, the printer's out of ink, we're out of paper, we're all packing up now ready to go home. Thanks to everyone who came past and saw us, the guys who bought stuff, the guys who got quotes. We'll be in touch next week. But overall, it's been a fantastic show and we will be back next year bigger and better again. Cheers.